I'm Jacob Williams. I'm a senior here at Kutztown. I'm an environmental biology major. We are doing research involving honeybees, and the basis of the research is to find out whether or not the dances they perform in the hive has any significant communication factors in the location of their food source. With this class, we're looking specifically at, do the bees that come to the hive, come to the flowers, when they go back to the hive, do they interact in a special way with their sisters in the hive? So we are painting them, we're marking them with white and yellow paints, so that when they get back into the hive, we can see which ones have visited which feeder, and we can see whether or not they do a specific dance in a specific direction that may or may not correlate to the direction of the artificial flowers. Being able to just come to the eco-plot and either just look at bees, look at plants, watch for birds, it's really like almost therapeutic to just be able to come out here and not really be one with nature, but be able to watch nature just unfold in front of you and try to find patterns, try to form hypotheses, try to just study it.